Me?
Who's me?
Miss Hayward?
Yes.
I'm Melanie Daniels. I'm sorry to bother you, but...
Yes?
Well, the man at the post office sent me. He said you could tell me the name of the little Brenner girl.
Kathy?
The one who lives in the White House across the bay?
Yes, that's the one, Kathy Brenner.
You seemed sure it was either Alice or Lois.
Which is why the mail never gets delivered to the right place in this town. Oh, I'm sorry. Smoke?
Thank you.
Did you want to see Kathy about something?
Well, not exactly.
Oh. Are you a friend of Mitch's?
No, not really.
You know, I've been wanting a cigarette for the last 20 minutes. I just couldn't convince myself to stop. This tilling of the soil can become compulsive, you know.
It's a very pretty garden.
Oh, thank you. Well, it's something to do in your spare time. There's a lot of spare time in Bodega Bay. Are you planning on staying long?
No, just a few hours.
Oh, then you're leaving after you see Kathy.
Well, something like that. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't mean to sound so mysterious.
Actually, it's none of my business.
Well, I'd better be on my way. Thank you very much.
Not at all. Did you drive up from San Francisco by the Coast Road?
Yes.
Nice drive.
It's very beautiful.
Is that where you met Mitch?
Yes.
I guess that's where everyone meets Mitch.
Now, you sound a bit mysterious, Miss Hayward.
Do I? I don't mean to. Actually, I'm an open book, I'm afraid. Or rather, a closed one. Oh, pretty. What are they?
Lovebirds.
I see. Good luck, Miss Daniels.
Thank you. Can I get out this way?
Go right around. It'll take you back to the main road.
Thank you.